Hello, family, and welcome to the Holiday Hangout with the Johnsons. This is day 2, and it is titled, These Are a Few of My Favorite Things. My favorite artist that sings this, group is Diana Ross and the Supremes. Go check it out. Whoever you like, please let me know. Leave it in the comment section. All right, family, this is day 2, and we decided to DIY some Christmas stockings together. I found these fur Christmas stockings at Hobby Lobby, but they just were not doing enough for me. So I pulled out some of this trim that I bought probably 2 or 3 years ago from Hobby Lobby that I haven't been doing a whole lot with. Threaded up a couple of needles, and we began to sew. So, I don't know if this was his first time sewing or not, but I'm going to say he did pretty good. It was fun to just he did his stocking and I did mine. I gave halfway good instructions of what we were going to do the stockings, but everybody likes to do things their own way. I like my line a little straight. He likes a little bit of character in his, and you know what? I am so cool with that. So we are working on the stockings. He went as far as he wanted to go with his, and then he kind of just, I think he let me take over some. So what I did, I helped him out a little bit because I don't mind sewing on hand. And so once he got finished, I finished with what he wanted to do on his stocking. I completed it, but I got things all tangled up. As you see, I had to go get me a drink. And so I'm sipping on the sun kiss. I got both of them finished. And you know what? I am pleased with how they look. Aren't they cute? Black and gold. And you will see where we're going to hang these a little bit later. I hope that you are enjoying 12 days to a comfy, cozy Christmas. This is so fun to me already. So just hang in there with us. We only have 10 more days to go. I hope you're being inspired. DIYing is a few of my favorite things. So the second part of the day was going to see the Nutcracker. This is definitely something great to do as a couple during the Christmas holidays, to go see a Christmas play. Excuse me, please look over my voice. I'm trying to get over a cold or something. So I actually just took a few pictures of a few moments during the ballet. It was very good. Some of our local artists performed, and this is something that I've probably been going to see since I was very young. My family isn't that open to this, but they'll take one for the team for me. But I enjoyed this once again. So just look at a few of the clips. It was very, very entertaining. All of the beautiful colors in the costumes, the music. I mean, who doesn't like the Sugar Plum Fairy? I mean, come on. This is a classic. So if you get a chance, you and your mate, go out and see the Nutcracker. I won't see you guys tomorrow night, but I'll see you the following night. It will be day 3. Thanks again for tuning in. Be safe, be blessed, and happy holidays.